Hello! So today may gala tayo. Not gala, parang may activity lang. And ganap ba? And going to my tita's house. Kasi may kukuha akong food and then andun yung mother ko. So, yeah. So, that is what I'm going to do for today. And I hope I film everything. Even though it's, spill ko lang, unti lang siya. So, I want you guys to enjoy! Noon mahal si Kay. Ay.
Dahil mabawi ako. Sa pag-ampun mo sa akin.
Asa may pataas?
Marami na ba ka?
Enough to tell me who's courting you. Nobody is courting me. This ain't Bridgerton, it's casual. Casual what? Casual friends, casual pickpockets.